How to flip or rotate a text in Word. I find that the easiest way in Word is to use a text box. Get a new page. Then go to Insert, then to Textbox on the right. We'll not use a pre-formatted one, but go below and choose Draw a Text Box. Here. Now go to your new page, start in a corner and draw a rectangle. You can adjust it later. Now go back to your text and select everything carefully. Now click on Copy or type Ctrl+C as I would do. Go back to the text box, click in the text box and click Paste or type Ctrl+V. Now adjust the box to your liking. You can drag the edges as you can see, and at the top you can move the whole thing to the middle. Now we just have to flip it. Go to Shape Format at the top, go to Rotate at the right, and click Flip horizontally or vertically or whichever you need. Click next to the box et voilà!